Act of 2009. So this these Philippines so mandates that all motorcycle riders and their passengers must wear standard protective helmets. So isa to nga yung mga motorcycles, no? So need yun na to ang helmet para sa safety. Then while driving to reduce fatalities and injuries or accidents. So if not the helmet is if disgrasya ta dili ra kayo malala bitaw kailangan tayo helmets, no? Then according to the Republic Act number 10586, Anti-Drunk and Drug Driving Act of 2013. So bawal gid po nato nga mag-drive na kanang makainom, then kay dili naman taga subay sa dalan na. Then this law penalizes individuals who operate motor vehicles under the influence of alcohol, dangerous drugs, and similar safety and responsible driving behavior.